Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure your phone and speaker are ready. Turn Bluetooth on and keep the phone within 3 feet of the speaker. This minimizes interference. Open the JBL Portable app and allow location and Bluetooth permissions so the phone can scan. Press and hold the speaker's power and pairing buttons until a light flashes. This puts the Wave Beam into discoverable mode. Once done, stay near the speaker and watch the app's device list for the Wave Beam entry to appear. After the Wave Beam appears, tap its name to initiate pairing. You'll hear a tone when connection starts. If a PIN or pairing code appears, confirm it matches on both devices. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby products. Once connected, switch your phone's audio output to the speaker and play a short test sound to verify clarity and volume. Make sure the app shows the speaker as online and check for firmware updates. Updating can resolve recognition and connectivity glitches. Now finalize settings. Set EQ and spatial modes in the app and place the Wave Beam for optimal sound. If the speaker never showed up, power cycle both phone and speaker first. If that fails, perform a factory reset on the speaker by holding power and Bluetooth for the manufacturer-specified time. Make sure you're away from heavy Wi-Fi congestion or many Bluetooth devices. Interference often blocks discovery. If reset succeeds, repeat the pairing sequence, and the speaker should reappear and connect normally.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.